Remove China apps becomes the top free app on Google Play in India. And Remove China apps has hit around more than 1 million downloads within the 2 weeks of launch. It is an Android app that claims to identify the Chinese app on your Android phones and they will remove. And this app has gone viral in India, and the app is currently at the top spot of Google Play's top free apps list. And we can see that around more than 1 million subscribers or users have downloaded the app in last 2 weeks. And this app development comes at the time when the Chinese and India sentiment is high across the border, and also during this novel coronavirus pandemic. And because of this India-China border dispute and many Indians urged to download the Remove China apps from the Play Store, and they started uninstalling the Chinese app as a part of their action against the India-China border dispute. The creators of the Remove China apps claim that the app is developed for educational purposes, and it allows the user to identify the country of origin of certain apps installed on their Android phones. And they have launched it on May 17, and now it has been downloaded more than 10 lakh users. And also the app has largely received positive reviews, which is around 4.8 rating on the Google Play Store. And Remove China apps is absolutely free to download from Google Play Store, and also it has a feature that the app does not require a login function or the user credentials. The user can just simply install and scan and identify the Chinese apps, and they can uninstall the apps very easily. After many controversies happened by Chinese on the coronavirus pandemic and also on the India border dispute, several Indians are now looking alternatives to Chinese products and product apps. And also there are also different other apps which uninstalls the Chinese app which came into picture. However, the most downloaded app on Play Store is the Remove China apps. Feel free to post your suggestions and comments for this video. Do you use Remove China apps or any other apps to uninstall the Chinese app? Please let me know through your comments. To stay up to date with my latest videos and news, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking on the button subscribe on this video.